song that just started? Did you just turn it off?
There's a little bit too much right here.
Take it out with your fork, with the knife. Do you want a spoon?
Yes, please.
Jim Carrey is probably my favorite character, other than Johnny Depp. I mean, favorite actor other than Johnny Depp.
Oh, Jake, that's pretty thick, honey. See how soft it is, thin?
Oh my.
I think that's going to be the favorite cookie, man.
Oh no, I'm eating mine.
I'm eating mine too.
I have a specific order for this. And
Oh, you're making like feathers.
yes.
Awesome. It's too bad he doesn't have a head.
I know. That really stinks for him.
Oh, you leave all crumbly by it.
Aw! You like the Grinch.